All right, y'all. You know something? I was watching Channel 4 just now, but it's Channel 15, I should say. So, I mean, parts of the building is hanging by a thread. Hanging by a length is dangling. Some debris is dangling on that building, that unfinished building. Golly, hey, you know what? They've been working on that building for a couple of years. Like 2 years, I think. Or was it 3 years? So they was working on that building since 2016, I do believe. Wow, I mean, they still needed a lot of work to that building, though. What I found out just now that some people was visiting New Orleans from out of town somewhere, and as they was driving, I think concrete, some kind of debris fell on the back of their truck, hitting their back windshield. Shield. I mean sealed. Did I say sealed? Well, I rewind the tape to see what I said. Okay. I mean that's totally serious. What the heck is going on? That's very serious. I mean that was a catastrophe. Number of construction workers was doing their job. All of a sudden that goddamn crane fell. So I saw it on somebody else's YouTube video, and plus they had people on the streetcar, so somebody was filming on the streetcar when that happened. I could have been on that streetcar, Lord have mercy. I feel bad for them construction workers. Some that are in critical condition. They probably had some people that was driving in their cars, and they must have crushed their cars or whatever, Lord have mercy. I am so sorry, folks. I am very sorry, everybody, whoever's watching. Okay. And plus, I forgot to do a condolence video of that cop that was killed by a suspect in another parish. I forgot what the name of that parish was. Was it Plaquemines Parish or something like that? So, I mean, people getting hurt and stuff like that really takes a toll on me for some reason, I really feel bad for people that been hurt in the line of duty, hurt walking around, visiting the town or whatever. I mean, that's sad and terrible, I really don't like to hear stuff like that, I really can't stand to hear anything like that, I mean, I'm sorry, y'all. Alright. The way I think about it, y'all, it really saddens me. Before I go to sleep, I need to pray for you people out there. Some of you that saw that, some of you that was hurt, injured and all that. There's so many people injured, and probably a couple of people missing, But, you know what I think, folks? I think they need to demolish that whole building and try to rebuild it from the ground up, I don't know what made that crane collapse. What made that video collapse? Bad weather, Imagine if it would have been a hurricane, like Hurricane Katrina or whatnot. If it would have been Hurricane Katrina, That's almost like where Woolworth was, Yeah, the same spot where Woolworth was, If you're from New Orleans, you'll know, All right, so that's all I gotta say. I'm gonna talk to y'all another time. All right.